welcome back to the channel, you guys. Man, in this video, man, I will be addressing on how to wrap plastic trims inside these Dodge Chargers. Now, I know a lot of people are saying that, you know, you can only wrap the bezel, the climate control, and the shift bezel, and the actual like bezel that goes on top. I'm about to show you guys all that right now. But it's really simple and it's really easy if you have the time and the money. It'll probably only cost you about $30 to do this. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys do want to see how to do that, continue watching this video. So the first thing you want to do is get your prep spray. This right here cleans and degreases bare surfaces before painting. Make sure you do this. So as you guys can see, what the spray did is literally removing all of that stuff that's underneath here. So this is what's gonna make your wrap stick well. So what you're gonna wanna do is, once all that black stuff starts to come up, it should look ashy, kind of rough like this. This is how you want it before you want to start painting. Notice that did you see no black debris coming up? I said debris. You didn't see that black stuff coming up, that material, whatever they put. So this is ready for paint. So always make sure you prep it first. As you guys can see, I went ahead and did one coat. I'm gonna do one more, then let it dry for about 30 minutes, then we're gonna clear coat it. And I went ahead and hit it with the second coat of black. So this is the paint that I'm using right here. Bonds to plastic really good. So we're gonna let this dry for 30 minutes, then we're gonna put some clear coat on top. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put like a little bit over one coat, but it does not have to be perfect, because remember, you are wrapping this. Now that this dried, we're about to go ahead and add some clear coat to it. Alright guys, so I got 2 coats of clear. I'm gonna add probably one more coat of clear just to be safe. Then I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours before I actually wrap this piece. So that way the clear does not come up. So you want it to cure. So as you guys can see, I got the clear coat on there on both pieces. As you can see with the reflection. So we're gonna let this dry for 24 hours. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these pieces. You guys can see how it looks. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it don't gotta be perfect, man. But it still does look good. It don't have to be perfect because you're wrapping it. But I'm just gonna do this, stick this on here, and I ain't put pressure, and show you how it's ready to literally stick to this material. Because remember, this was just regular plastic, not painted. Wrap won't even stay on. Watch. You hear that? So that means that it's sticking. So once you add the heat, it's gonna stick on there just like a regular car when you're wrapping it. All right, you guys, so you can see, man, I let it dry for 24 hours. Now it's time to lay down some wrap. This as well. So we're gonna see how it lays down. Like I said, these were the pieces that the wrap could not stick to. So now we're gonna see if the wrap lays down good. As you guys can see, it laid down perfectly, okay? Perfectly. So look, if you do paint it, it will lay down. Cause I'm telling you, I try to peel it off, it will not come off. But yep, that's how it looks, man. Let's go ahead and do the next piece. So I went ahead and cut my piece, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and heat it up and lay it down. All right, you guys, there's the finished product. See how I got it cut? So I'm not worried about down here because that's gonna be covered up. So lays down mad good, man. I'm telling you, this thing is a pain to get off. Once it's on there, it's on there. So if you paint your trims and wrap it, this is the results you're gonna get. All right, so as you guys can see, I got the back done, the shifter bezel done, the climate control bezel done. Now all of it comes out. Man, I'm telling you, this thing hits. No stretching, no nothing. Okay, just showing you guys, no stretching. All I did was heat it up and lay it down, that's it. It went right on with no problem. So from you guys watching that video on how to actually wrap the plastic trims, it's very easy. It's very simple. You just gotta prep it, paint it, clear it, let it dry for 24 hours, then start wrapping that trim. All right, because not a lot of people do this. It's better than buying those little cheap little stick-on things that you get from eBay. This is different and this is unique. And not a lot of people do this. I haven't seen nobody at an actual car meet or whatever with their interior actually fully wrapped. Okay, instead of buying those little cheap little eBay plastic 3M sticky things that you just put on there, because to me that junk looks cheap. It just looks cheap and tacky in my opinion. So if you actually want your junk to really look wrapped and actually look quality, do this method right here. I'm the first one to do it. If you guys did enjoy this video, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.